Hello and welcome to today's video. If it's your first time tuning in, thank you so much for tuning in. Praise God and God bless you. Hit the like, hit the subscribe button. What we're doing today is we're going to do an oil change on my 2013 Yamaha Stryker. Let's take a look. So this will be it right here. And we're doing oil change on it. Real easy. Got this here. Oh, I need the other ratchet. That pan, 2050 Valvoline. Got our Power Sports air oil filter and some shock rags. May not use them, probably will. Just go ahead and do this. And I'm hoping that I can get like a little bit of a better of a startup video than yesterday. Yesterday was just a quick startup and didn't really do much. I mean, I couldn't really because it was kind of just about to rain right when I got to it. It looks like whatever I did to try and like clean up the bike, you know, it's okay. It just kind of left the painted surfaces kind of like smeary. See, left a mark just like that. Well, let's just go ahead and do this oil change real quick. Looks like it's plenty good, but I mean, the bike's been sitting for a while, so I figure why not, you know. I'm gonna give it some fresh motor oil, just because. The whole kit is right here. Oil and a filter. What was it? $20? I don't know. All right, we're gonna go ahead and put this bolt back. Rubber gasket's still on there, so good to go to put the new one. Talk about zoom, big zoom action. All right, so take a little bit of oil, just gently around, liquid seal action on there. You know, that's it. That's all you need. Little hands can get. Now all we got to do is put some engine oil in there. To the 2050 we go. The reason why I'm raising my bike right now is so that I can get like a more accurate reading, if you will. So the glass window where the motor oil goes. So real quick, what I mean by the eye is down there. See that joint? Dry, right? You see the hash marks? Like right there is a hash mark, and right there is a hash mark. And at the very bottom, you can also see something similar. There and there, the bottom, like top of the shadow. See it? Those are like the fill lines. So you want it to be towards closer to the top. And if you're wondering, I got this motorcycle jack at Harbor Freight. Alright, so with this last one, right, we're going to put half a quart. The manual says 3.98, so we'll put 3.5 quarts. this eye should read full. Yeah, it's full. Just wanted to add, you know, if this is your first time tuning in to the channel, go ahead and hit that like button. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Hit the notification bell and stay tuned for the next time I drop. Put 3.5 quarts in it. Don't necessarily want to overfill it either. Good. I like it. You can see right there, it's 3.5 quarts, right? It's like right at the line, the full line, but it is a little bit low, you know. So I'll make it like 3 3/4 quarts. And a light. And that's full. To me, that's full. So that's just about 3 3/4 quarts. So that's going to be the video for today. If it's your first time tuning in, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. If you made it this far into the video, go ahead and hit the like button. Light up the comments. Let me know what you guys think. It's just a super simple video I was trying to put together. Thanks again for watching. See you in the next one.